The first rule about Cowboy campfire cooking is make sure you have either a good flame or a good bed of coals. For breakfast, that's bacon, sausage, eggs, fried taters, black coffee. Coming into lunch, we're gonna get some cornbread mix into our Dutch oven. You don't want your Dutch oven too hot on the bottom. You don't want your Dutch oven too hot on the top. You wanna get a good bed of coals right in between. Then we're gonna brown some hamburger, mix some chili paste in there, and we're gonna make some chili and cornbread. Just like that. We will include all the recipes for anything we cook over on our website at benandbrandy.com. Wow, that's a hell of a meal for a campfire meal.